Let's make so much noise. They're like, what's going on in that room?
A few moments later.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, guys. Woo! So here's what you have to do. Make sure you've got complete information from your customer. Name, address, city, state, zip, personal email, if you can get it.
Email.
So how many people have a hard time collecting email address? People are like, no, I'm good. Anybody? Okay, here you go. Write this one down. Yes, ma'am. Appreciate you calling in today. Let me get your name, phone number, email, blah, 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 blah. Hey, what's a good email address I can send that quote over to? Every time. Got him! What are you gonna do? Like, oh man, we're really trying to cut down on the waste and our carbon footprint. What's a good email address I can send that estimate over to? I don't like even calling it an estimate. I call it a solution because we're a solution provider. We solve problems. Email, business email, cell phone number. Hey, when our technicians are en route, we're going to send you a text message, just let you know, give you a heads up. What's a good cell phone number we can get a hold of you? I'm like the FBI over here, bro. I'm trying to get every piece of information they'll give me. Home number, office number. Here's one, birthday. Month and date. You're not necessary, ladies, right? Don't want to offend anybody.
Rude.
Month and date. I don't do what you will with it. Might be kind of cool if you got like a 6-figure client, send them a birthday card. Be cool if it's $1,000 client, like Betsy the homeowner that lives in the gated community that plays bingo every Sunday night. You send her a birthday card. Going back to my bag. You guys remember when we were like in 2nd grade, 3rd grade? You guys used to get these little Valentine's Day cards. You guys want to know how I got into Walmart? Right there. To from. What's this one say? Let's be friends. It's not like, hey, baby, happy Valentine's Day. No.
That ass though. I mean, you cute and shit, but that ass though. Damn, girl, that ass though. That is a weird card.
It's just like the things you get, and this is the cheapest stuff you can do. Be different, be distinctive. Had a lady write me back. She said, DJ, thank you so much for the Valentine's Day card. It's the only one I got this year. And I'm married. Birthday, hobbies, and passion. Here's another thing. I'll give you guys another quick tip. I'm trying to go fast, man. Another quick tip, because I want you guys to have this. If you have property managers, commercial clients, the reason why you should ask hobby or passion, just go Google cheap magazine subscriptions.
Magazines. Penthouse, I've read them all. We all see them. They got great articles.
I had a property manager one time. I'm like, hey, what are you doing when you're not working, right? Like, you don't have to be weird about this. You don't have, when you very first start talking to them, you don't have to ask them all these questions, right? You just get the basis. And then when you're out maybe doing a property evaluation or walking around, you say, hey, what do you do in your free time? Oh, DJ, I'm a huge runner. I'm actually headed to Boston to run a marathon next week. Okay. I think I've been paying for that lady to have a subscription to Runner World magazine for like 7 years. It's like $11 a year. But that is something, what we do is we put her name and then Easy Pro as the company name and then their address. And so now every month when she gets that subscription to Running World, she's probably like at this point, like, I don't even think we've done business with them in a couple of years, but guess what? I'm staying in front of them.